It looks something like this.
Hello gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. I asked on my last video what you guys want to see from me next, and overwhelmingly it was you guys wanted to see me clean. Okay, if don't twist my arm or anything, because you know I like to clean. I'm a weirdo like that. So we're gonna start off with the jewelry and how I clean it at home. And y'all, this is all stuff you probably already have at your house, and I'm telling you, your jewelry will look just as like you took it into the jewelry store and got it professionally done. So let's first kick off with this, and then we're gonna get into my jewelry collection, organization, all that jazz. You need 3 things. You need water. Check, everyone's got some water. You need peroxide, which probably check because most people have this in their medicine cabinet. And 3, you need dish soap. I would hope that's a check. I would hope you have some dish soap. I prefer Dawn, the regular blue one. I feel like it does the best job getting your jewelry like sparkling, shining, like blinging, like see it from outer space. But this is what we have, and this is what we're gonna work with. Really quick, can we just call out the fact that I am set up in the middle of my bedroom, like Bill Nye the Science Guy, where my 90 kids at. Apparently, I'm getting ready to do some scientific experiments here. All you need for this is 1 part dish soap, 1 part peroxide, 2 parts water. Let's get started. In my little ramekin here, I have 2 tablespoons of water. I'm gonna do 1 tablespoon of peroxide, 1 tablespoon of dish soap. And then let's just mix it up real good. This is legit the best cleaner ever. I've used so many different brands, and this one is the best. So if you don't believe me, here's a before and after. So I prefer to let my jewelry sit in the cleaner overnight, because when you wake up in the morning, I feel like it just does an amazing job and it looks incredible. If you don't have overnight, then let it sit for like an hour or so and take an old toothbrush and just like lightly scrub it to get rid of any mildew, not mildew, but like dirt. Why would you have mildew in your ring? Dirt or any, you know, gunk in there. And I'm telling you guys, showroom bling when you're done. Got a special guest here. Are you gonna be my assistant? How cute are you right now?
It's Shishi.
Where's Shishi? Oh, that is Shishi. You wanna take it? Okay. Shishi. She calls Mickey Shishi. Her favorite thing in the world is to come back here. She sneaks back here into our bedroom all the time. Oh, I gotta put them on? Okay, I'll put them on. How do I look? Am I cute? She sneaks back here into our bedroom all the time and gets into my jewelry box. And she puts on all the jewelry and then runs out. So this is the perfect time for her to be in a video with me, because this is her favorite thing in the whole house. Hey, can Mama have a kiss? Can I have a kiss? Mwah. I kissed your nose and you got lipstick on your nose. Oh my goodness. In today's video, now that I have my assistant off camera, you're gonna hear her a lot, just so you know. But we're gonna go through the jewelry box. We're going to organize everything. We're gonna purge. We're gonna do a whole clean out and get everything looking good. For anybody who's wondering about this jewelry box, which I've gotten a lot of questions about it through the years on my blog, it was from Amazon, and honestly, it's probably sold out by now, because I think I bought it in like 2014. So I'll do my best to find it online. If not, I will post the most similar one that I can find, and I will put it in the description box below. So let's get started. This up here has kind of become a catch-all for all of the stuff. And it's where I put a lot of like my pretties, but honestly, it doesn't look very pretty right now. So I'm gonna get rid of that, and then we will dig in. Here in the top layer is level is where I keep my nicer jewelry. I don't have a whole lot of like high-end jewelry pieces, because I like costume jewelry. I like to be able to layer. Don't get me wrong, I do have pieces that are real, but this is where they live. So the majority of stuff in here I'm actually going to keep, but I'm going to go through and get rid of a few pieces really quickly. Because this is mostly rings, it's mostly stuff I want to keep. I do have a couple of rings here that I'm going to go ahead and get rid of, but it's mostly keepsake stuff, so I'm going to move on to the next drawer. I'm going to pull that out. And this is all, for the most part, costume jewelry, earrings. Well, it's all earrings, but costume. I'm going to go through and get rid of the jewelry or the earrings that don't have matches to them, and then also the ones that I haven't worn. My rule of thumb is that if I haven't worn it in 3 months and I can't see myself wearing it in the next 3 months, it's got to go. what I did was I tried to organize each cubby with like items. So like all my pearl earrings are here, all my rose gold here, all my gold hoops are next to each other. So I did that so that it would be easy for me to be able to go in and find exactly what I'm looking for. This drawer is actually color coordinated and it makes my heart happy. As you can tell, the blues with and then the blacks, the pinks, you get the picture. But I just recently redid this drawer, and so I went through and got rid of everything I didn't want, and now everything is grouped together in the light colors so that when I open it, I know exactly where to go to get the color that I want. This drawer is wrecked, so we're going to actually dump it out and start over and get it organized into 4 neat cubbies here. This was supposed to be a bracelet drawer, but somehow it got everything thrown in there and it looks like a hot pile of poop. So I'm gonna reorganize it, but like for instance, I have these beautiful earrings. They should not be in here. They should be in the earring drawer. I'm gonna get those in that drawer, and I'm going to get these organized. Okay, how much better does this look right here? It's a million times better. What I did was I grouped together all of my stretchy bracelets and then like my actual cuffs and then bangles and then chains, and then a long time ago Matt got me a Coach bracelet that I still keep in the box, and then all my beaded bracelets there. And so now everything is grouped together with its sisters. Okay, so this drawer is more bracelets, but some of these really should go with the other bracelets so that they're grouped together. So I'm gonna go through, take the ones that need to go in there, put those in there, and then make this look a little bit nicer. So I weeded this down a little bit, got rid of a few pieces, found an ankle bracelet I didn't know I had, so I put that on. And oh, this one's broken. Oh, look, this one needs to go in the trash. I have an idea who broke that. I think her name starts with a Kenny. Anyways. So yeah, this is a lot more toned down, and I'm ready to move on now to my next drawer. Okay, so these next 3 drawers are deeper than these drawers, and these are also in Kenny's exact line of vision. So they're the messiest because this is where she comes every day and pulls out what she's gonna wear for the day. So let's see what's in here. I'm gonna just dump this all 3 out on the floor, and we're gonna reorganize and go at it, and we're gonna purge. I don't know about you guys, but I see stuff in there that makes no sense why it's there. Why would I have a crochet needle in a jewelry box? Like, yeah, time to get to work. Honestly, the best way to ever clean out any type of drawer is to just dump it out entirely and start from scratch, because you can clean out the drawer if it's dirty, the base of it, the best. Anyways, I went through and found a lot of things that shouldn't be in my jewelry box, like a birthday card from Matt, a crochet needle, like I said. The one thing I did find is an antique pen that my pawpaw gave me, and the pen is missing, and now I'm really sad about that. So it's from 1961, so we gotta figure out where that went. But I separated into statement necklaces, delicates, and then pearls. A lot of jewelry I know you're probably looking at and you're like, I've never seen you wear anything like that. I keep some of these pieces for when I do makeup tutorials or especially Halloween tutorials. I like to have those pieces. So I'm gonna put those back in, and then I'm gonna tell you something else. So as I was cleaning out my jewelry box, super exciting for you guys, I found 3 Goriana necklaces that I have had to do a giveaway, and I just forgot about doing them. So I'm gonna do it in this video. It's the perfect video, right? So I found this one, which is so cute, and my best friend would call that pirate's gold. Like this is Goriana, and she calls that my pirate's gold. and then a very delicate, kind of like a choker. So 3 necklaces for 3 winners. All you gotta do is leave a comment below and let me know your email address. You can be located anywhere, you don't have to be US, and I'm gonna choose 3 of you and send you each a necklace. My rings have been soaking for about an hour now, and as I'm looking down into this, there is actual dirt floating in my concoction here. How gross is that? So I'm gonna go, oh, that's gross. I'm gonna go scrub these with a dry brush, and then I'm gonna rinse them in cool water and then dry them with a paper towel, and we will see how they look. All right, so what do you think? Huge difference. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. What should I clean with you next? I mean, you guys wanna see me clean? Tell me what to clean. I'm thinking my closet. Should we do a purge? Do a little KonMari method? Like, I don't know. Let me know in the comments below, because you guys did last time. All right, thank you guys so much for watching, and I love y'all so much. Au revoir.